Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a blurry video into high definition using AVCLabs Video Enhancer. First, download and install AVCLabs Video Enhancer. Then, open the software and import the video clip you want to enhance. Next, select Upscale to 4K. You'll see the original video is 720p and the exported version will be 4K. Under Features, choose the AI enhancement model. Select Ultra for regular videos or Anime if your clip is animation. Since our video mainly features faces, enable Face Enhancement to make them clearer. You can also tweak brightness, contrast, and other settings according to your preference. Once everything is set, click Preview to check the enhanced video. If you're happy with the preview, click Export to save your high-definition 4K video.